Hello children, in this video we will see multiplication of 5-digit number by a single digit number. We will start by multiplication without carrying. The first question which we are going to do is 42,314 multiplied by 2. Here 42,314 is the multiplicand and 2 is our multiplier. So first we will write the multiplicand, that is 42,314. Then we will put multiplication sign and then we will write the multiplier. Now you have to multiply the multiplier by each digit in the multiplicand. You have to multiply the multiplier by each digit in the multiplicand, and always you will start from the ones place. Always you will multiply the multiplier with the ones place of the multiplicand. And if here there are two digits, then also you have to start from the ones place only. Okay. Now here we are having multiplier as 2. While doing multiplication, you should have knowledge of tables. It is very important. I will be writing tables of the multiplier over here. While doing questions, you don't write in your copy, but you should have knowledge. You should learn tables by heart. Okay. So a multiplier is 2. So I'll be writing table of 2 so that you will understand this multiplication. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. Now we'll start multiplication. Our multiplier is 2, so first multiply 2 by 4. Multiply the number 2 by the number in ones place, that is 4. 2 fours are. Now see over here, 2 fours are means what? 2 fours are means 2 multiplied by 4. So 2 fours are, how much you will get? 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So this 8 you will write over here. Now, after multiplying 2 by 4, we will shift in the next digit. So our next digit will be 1. Now multiply 2 by 1. 2 ones are, that is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So 2 ones are 2. Now multiply this 2 by the next number, that is 3. 2 multiplied by 3. So check in the table. 2 threes are, how much it is? 6. So write 6. Now after multiplying 2 by 3, now multiply 2 by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Now after multiplying by 2, now multiply this 2 by 4. 2 fours are 8. So our answer will be 84,628. Our answer will be 84,628. Tables are very important. You should learn tables, practice tables, okay, because in multiplication and division we need tables. So you should have knowledge of tables. Here you can see that our multiplier is 2. So whatever is the multiplier, you should have knowledge of tables of that number. Now we will do next question. In the next question, we will multiply and write the product in words. The number is 11,202 multiplied by 4. Here, multiplicand is the first number, that is 11,202. So first we will write multiplicand. After writing multiplicand, we will put multiplication sign and then we will write the multiplier. Multiplier is 4. Now multiply this. 4 twos are 8, 4 zeros are 0. Any number, if you multiply it by 0, you will get answer 0. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So this is the answer. Now we will see how to write this answer in words. So you do this in rough column. Write the number 44808. 8 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, then this 8 is in hundreds place, this 4 is in thousands place, and this 4 is in 10,000 place. Now the number in 1000 and 10,000 you will count it together. So when you write answer in words, now take this together. 4 and 4, 44. So here you will write 44. 44,000. 44,000. This 44 will come in thousands group. So you will write 44,000. Now in hundreds place we are having 8. So it will be 44,800. The number in tens and ones place is taken together. So when we take this together, we get 0 and 8. 0 and 8 is 8. So here you will write 44,808, or you can write 44,808. Now children, we will see multiplication by carrying. The first question is 31,451 multiplied by 3. 31,451 multiplied by 3. First you multiply 3 by the first number. 3 ones are 3. So here you will write 3. Now you multiply 3 by the second number. That is the number in the tens place of multiplicand. 3 fives are 15. Now you see that 3 fives are is 15. 15 is having 2 digits. In ones place we are having 5 and in tens place we are having 1. The number which is in ones place will be written over here, that is 5. And the number which is in tens place will be carried on the next number, that is after 5 we are having 4. So this 1 will be carried over 4 and circle it. Now multiply 3 by 4. 3 fours are how much it is? 12. 3 fours are is 12. Now this 1 you have to add it with 12. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, how much you will get? 13. So you will get 13. 1 and 3. 3 is in ones place, so here you will write 3, and the number which is in tens place, that is 1, will be carried above this 1. Now multiply 3 by the next number, that is 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, how much you will get? 4. So write 4 over here. Now you multiply. Now 4 is single digit only. Okay. 4 is a single digit number. So no need to carry anything above 3. 4 you will write here only. Now you multiply 3 by 3. 3 threes are how much it is? 9. So write 9 over here. So answer of this will be 94,353. 94,353. Now we'll do one more question. Second question is 10,614 multiplied by 4. Okay, 10,614 multiplied by 4. First you multiply 4 by the number in ones place of the multiplicand. That is 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are how much you are getting? 16. 16 is having 2 digits. That is 6 in ones place and 1 in tens place. So this 6 will be written over here, and the number which is in tens place will be carried in the next number after 4, that is on the 1. 4 ones are 4. With this 4 you will add this 1 which is carried over. So 4 plus 1, how much you will get? 5. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1 you will get 5. Now you multiply 4 by 6. Now you multiply this 4 by 6. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sixes are 24. 4 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. This 4 will be written over here, and the number which is in tens place, that will be written above 0. So 4 will be written over here, and this 2 will be carried above 0. Now you multiply 4 by 0. Any number, if you multiply it by 0, you will get answer 0 only. Now, but what about this 2? This 2 will be added with 0. That is, 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, how much you will get? 2. So 2 is a single digit number. So just write it over here. 2. Now multiply 4 by the last number, that is 1. 4 ones are 4. So our multiplication is over. So answer of this will be 42,456. Now we will do one more question. 25,149 multiplied by 8. 25,149 multiplied by 8. Now understand this. 8 nines are. First you will multiply 8 by 9. 8 nines are, it is 72. So this 2 will be written over here, and the 7 in tens place will be carried over the next number, that is 4. So here you will carry 7. Now multiply 8 by 4. 8 fours are, it is 32. With this 32, that is 8 fours are, you are getting 32. With this 32, you will add this 7. 2 plus 7, 9 and 3. So you will get 39. Now 39 is also having two digits, that is 9 and 3. This 9 will be written over here, and the 3 in tens place will be carried above the next number, that is 1. So write 3 over here. Now 8 ones are, how much we are getting? 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. The number in ones place will be written over here, and the number in tens place will be carried above the next number after 1, that is 5. Now 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are is 40. 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. The number in ones place will be written over here, and the number in tens place, that is 4, will be carried above 2. Now you multiply 8 by 2. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are is 16. With this 16, you will add 4. That is the number which is carried over. So 16 plus 4 is 20. This 20 is having two digits, that is 0 in ones place and 2 in tens place. But as you can see that there is no digit over here. यहाँ पर कोई भी digit नहीं दिया है. There is no digit over here. So this 20 you will write below only. 2 and 0. You will write 0 also and you will write 2 also, both over here. Why we have written 2 also over here? Because there is no digit over here on which we can write the carryover. So in this case we have to write both digits below. So answer of this will be 201192. This number is read as 2,01,192. So this will be your answer.